It has been a year since the pandemic started in Maryland. Unemployment spiked, businesses had to close, but the Maryland Food Bank has been up and running there to help an underserved community. Number of people, just unprecedented numbers of people. WMAR-2 News' Abby Isaacs explains how they adapted to help as many people as possible.
The Maryland Food Bank has increased safety measures and added low-touch options to help 1 million more Marylanders since the pandemic started.
Demand spiked literally overnight.
It's the highest number in the Maryland Food Bank's 40-year history. Before the pandemic, over 1.5 million Marylanders were already dealing with food insecurity. Now the numbers climbed to 2.5 million.
So nearly 1 in 4 Marylanders are food insecure.
Despite new challenges with the pandemic, they stayed operational to meet the unprecedented demand, distributing nearly 47 million meals in the last year.
It's really heartwarming to know that we've had an impact on people's lives.
The Maryland Food Bank president and CEO Carmen Del Guecho says they spent quadruple the amount of money they usually spend.
We bought food by the truckload
and kept distribution points open.
And we've instituted a number of safety protocols and social distancing to make sure that as volunteers come into our space, they feel as safe as they possibly can.
They also changed how they distributed food with low-touch, low-interaction exchanges.
We created a backup box, a box of food that could feed a family for a week, that made for easy distribution.
Del Guecho says now their focus is on helping families recover.
That there is no vaccine for food insecurity. The 2.5 million Marylanders who are food insecure today will be dealing with this issue well past a vaccine date.
So they're increasing efforts to address the root causes of hunger.
So that as we continue to serve people, we are also trying to address some of the barriers they're facing to put them in a better position to provide for themselves and their families and not rely on food banks going forward.
There are several ways to get involved, by volunteering or donating. We have information on our website, WMAR2news.com. In Baltimore, Abby Isaacs, WMAR2 News.